And I already got the costume. Some kids were walking by. Trick or treat. I'm the Flying Dutchman.
And I'm the Flying Dutchman with his best friend.
Ah ha ha. You look like the haunted mattress. Look, SpongeBob house is a pineapple house. Cheese!
Are you sure you want to do this?
She saved me down. I don't look like a ghost.
You have a square head. Ghosts have round heads.
I got an idea.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Shave me down, make me round. Shave me down, make me round. I'm a go fishing boy, said Sandy. I'm a witch, said I'm a clown, said Squidward. You sure are. And he picked up. Where's SpongeBob? Squidward. He's too afraid to come. SpongeBob and Patrick on the roof, on the quest. SpongeBob and Patrick were on the roof on the quest of the crab. Well, this is gonna be the best Halloween ever. I just scared everyone. I'm the Flying Dutchman.
Give me your candy.
When a jellyfish came by and stung. When a jellyfish came by and stung Patrick.
Oh!
Ah! Said SpongeBob. Ha ha ha. It's not the Flying Dutchman, it's SpongeBob. SpongeBob started crying. This is the worst Halloween ever. I am not going to be able to scare anyone. I am not going to be able to scare anyone. Bye-bye, SpongeBob Scaredy Pants, said Squidward. When the front door burst open, and it was the real Flying Dutchman.
I'm the Flying Dutchman, and I'm mad! Who are you supposed to be?
You.
That's the worst costume I ever seen. Spiders are scary. Witches are scary. I'm scary. But you are not scary.
you going to do to me?
I'm going to eat you. But first, what was under that seat?
The Flying Dutchman screamed and flew out the door as fast as he can. Hey, I scared him. I scared the Flying Dutchman. I am scary. I am scary.
I guess it was your pink hat.
It's big Patrick. That's not a pink hat. That's my brain. Don't worry, it grows. Don't worry, it grows back. Don't worry, it grows back. Oh well, happy Halloween.